Greetings, 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 and welcome or welcome back to my channel where every day there is a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So let me ask you something. Where you afraid about? Eh? Where you really afraid about? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people for your God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, just click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right as so 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, we're going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 12 from verse 22 to verse 34. So, Jesus telling special follower them say, nobody fret about no life, or worry upon yourself about when you go eat, or when you go wear. Because life more important than food, and the body need more than clothes. Think about the blackbird them. Them no plant, them no reap, and they no have no storehouse neither. But God feed them. Uno, what will eat more to God than blackbird? Uno think say when you no worry upon yourself, that going make uno live even 1 hour longer than uno fi live. So, if uno can't do that one little sitting here, we not worry yourself about the rest of them for. Think about how the lily them grow. Them no do no work, and they no make them clothes. But Solomon, with all him fancy sitting them, no nice like one of them lily. If that are how God dress up wild grass, when they are today and dash in a fire tomorrow, then him now go make sure say uno have clothes for wear too. Look pan uno. What a little bit of trust uno put in a God. No keep on afraid about when you finish your drink. No worry upon yourself about that. The people them we are not Jew, run off of them they sitting there. Uno father know, say uno can't do without them. When you do, I put on your mind on God kingdom and what him want uno fi do. And uno will get all of them sitting there. So, uno will follow me, nobody afraid. Uno father happy fi go uno in kingdom. Sell what uno have and help the poor so uno can get money where can't run out and store up all kind of good sitting for yourself in a heaven. What they up there so? No thief can't come take, and no mat can't come yam up. Cause anyway, uno put the sitting them where what enough to uno, a deso uno heart a go there. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.